M-Series Toronto Subway. The M-Series, also known as MON, was the second series of rapid transit rolling stock used in the subway system of Toronto, Ontario, Canada. They were built by Montreal Locomotive Works in Montreal, Quebec, Canada from 1961 to 1962. They were the first Toronto subway cars to be manufactured in Canada, and only one of two series built outside Ontario. History. By 1960, the Toronto Transit Commission was preparing to expand its subway system to include the University Line. The TTC wanted subway cars with a larger 75-foot 22.86 m design and also wished to expand upon some of the experimental features in the existing G-Series cars. The new design was pushed forward by GM John G. Inglis. A total of only 36 M-Series cars were built. As the subway expanded and more trains were necessary. Design. The TTC performed testing at St. Clair and Union stations with a 75-foot test vehicle known as the Duncan Dragon. Built at the Duncan shops by Len Bardsley and the D&D Equipment, the test car consisted of two trucks with 3 panels and was designed to test the size of train that could successfully navigate the tunnels. A steel girder with railings allowed workers to walk and ride the car during tests. After specifications for the new cars were finalized, Alco's Montreal Locomotive Works was contracted to build the new cars, dubbed MON. The cars are historically notable as the first subway cars produced in Canada and, at the time of their construction, the longest subway cars in the world. All subsequent TTC cars have followed the size and length specifications of the M-Series, though the Toronto Rocket deviates from the two-car married pair formation and influenced several other transit authorities to examine. Retirement. The MON trains were decommissioned and scrapped in 1999, with cars 5000,